to restore this kind of car? Wow, $80,000. Okay, let's check how it rolls. Whoa! That was sick! So yeah, unfortunately I don't have the money to buy this car. If I do, I will.
You see, that's what you do when the kids retire and you get rid of your wife.
Yeah, then you get the money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's, you know, when you're raising a family, there's too many things, eh? Money everywhere, kids in school. This is what you do. When I retired, I got a nice settlement with the company, and I bought this car.
That was
Now, I won't tell you.
the coolest car I've ever seen.
Well, it's the only one like it in Western Canada. It has a 5-speed transmission. Eh? There's some that look.
So how many?
60,000 it just turned.
60,000?
60,000 miles. I just
So
turned.
60,000 miles, eh? And
So that for 50 years, that's.
so what do you think? How many are still
Around Roadrunners?
around?
Let's say, I mean, in 1969.
Look at that. The Roadrunner. How old is this car?
Come this way. 1969. It's 50 years old.
Wow, 1969, hey?
Manual transmission. 5-speed.
5-speed manual transmission. That was sick.
383.
Yeah.
That's 1969. The instrument gauge is everything. It's replica. It's period correct.
Wow.
Like, that's not the original dashboard. That's not the original console. But it's the same as what was sold in 69. But the engine is original.
Yeah.
And the radiator. So a lot of it is. But all the paneling and that's all been redone, but as they say, period correct. But all steel, eh?
Yeah.
No plastic.
No plastic, eh?
And look at the trunk. You could put a family of 4 in here.
Whoa. Yeah.
20 miles an hour in 4th gear at only 3,000 RPM, and I still got another gear.
Wow.
So I don't, you know, I mean, with a 50-year-old car,
I know, right?
you don't want to go that crazy fast.
Yeah, but the way you restore it, man. Sick.
4 years.
Explain why it's called the sick bird. So
That's
4 years, did you say, to restore this?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's over $10,000 paint job.
So $800 a gallon for the paint?
Something like that, 600.
Wow.
I didn't do the paint. I went to a specialty.